Hello. Is this even recording? Is this even recording, bro? Okay. Anyways, so today, uh, I sold the market. Like I was short. I wanted to go for a shot. I'm so sleepy. I don't even know what I'm speaking. So where was I? Yep. Let me go to the daily time frame. The time I was in the market late, it was almost around like 6:30. Price already swept the previous day's low. You know what I mean? Our price already swept the previous day's low, which is and also retesting around like 50% of the daily range. I go through the 4 hour time frame, which was nothing but the price already tapped into the 4 hour fair value gap. And that was one confluence that I was bullish. And if I would have taken a bullish trade, it would have been a good trade, but still, I wanted to sell. So where was I? Yeah, the price already tapped into the 4 hour fair value gap, but I didn't have any entries at that point, right? I didn't have any entries, and the price was holding this fair value gap for sure. But still, this was not enough for the confidence. But if I were to take a like if I were to take a trade, right, it would have been a good buy entry. But I was not at the market at these times. I came around like this this time, probably before that. And the moment I looked into the market, I wanted to be bullish, but still, um, the 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 time frame and the price action, right? It was telling me to sell, and that's what I exactly did. And I did some mistakes, like a lot of mistakes, to be honest. Not like some mistakes, but a lot. So what did I did? And I wanted to see the price to go down, right? Like price already swept the previous day's low, but it left this liquidity, particularly like literally like this was left alone. And yeah, it was left alone, and I wanted the price to sell in order to be bullish. And I mean the price. I wanted the price to sweep in order to be bullish, right? That's what I wanted to do, and I was waiting for that. But like the price was, but you get it, right? Like the moment the price comes to the equilibrium or like the discount, you can always sell. And also this was like 70 by 0.7171% zone, which also gives me another add confluence. Let me just drag it up. So yeah, I'm here to London slow. If I were to keep that, and the price came back to 0.71 zone and starts to retest, right? It was a pretty good confluence, and also there was a 5 minute fair value gap. So here, and the price already swept, like went down the moment it came into the 5 minutes fair value gap. But but one thing that I did miss that I was so one one thing I wanted the price to sell and sweep this liquidity that is Wednesday's low. I wanted the price to sweep Wednesday's low. Stupid. So yeah, I was waiting for that. I want the price to sweep to Wednesday's low in order for me to be bullish, right? And that's what I was looking for. If there is another opportunity for me to sell, so that's when I went to 1 minute time frame. Once the price came back into 1 minute, I mean 5 minute fair value gap, I went into five. I mean, I went into 1 minute. 1 minute gave me a clear market structure shift. And if one thing that the message that I did here is like mm, I want I want the price to come inside the equilibrium of this fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap, right? I had my limit order set, everything done. It's said and done, and I was like getting the pre Wednesday's look, right? This was my target, right? If I were to like catch this trade, I would be up around like 0 points, some percent, 5, 6. I don't know, 0.25. I mean, that's two. I mean, sorry, I'm sorry, 2.5%. I would have been up 2.5%. But as soon as the 10 o'clock news hits, I closed the trade. I didn't want to be in the trade. I don't know why, but my gut was telling me get out of the trade because it's Friday and you don't want to lose, right? And also I was risking 1% for this trade, and I eventually reduced it. I eventually reduced my risk after like the price started. But like this high has been protected, right? Um, it gave me another added confidence that the price is going to go down. And that's what I did. I mean, like I was like holding up, barely holding up. So I was supposed to have my limit order here, right? Like the limit order was set, stop loss, take profit, everything was perfect, right? And what I did was like the price came in, tapped into the 1 minute fair value gap, the price, the place that I wanted to enter, but it didn't execute my limit order. My limit order didn't get executed. So what I did, this is where I got really, and I was like, this is dumb, right? I could have literally waited, sit around, like just went out for a walk or some shit. I would have when I come back, it would have been in profits, right? So, but the thing is, like, I had my limit order here, and I closed my limit order. Literally entered right off here, and boom, it started going into the Hmm. What is that? 5 minutes going above the 5 minute value gap. And also the 5 minute candle, right? It was so scary, right? It closed about the 5 minutes value gap. And it was, I would have closed the trade. I don't know why I was holding up. Uh, yeah, I would close the trade. It was so scary. If I were to close it would have been a disaster. I closed the trade and I still feel regret about still feel regret. So because the price swept my drawn liquidity, bro. It literally did draw. It literally did it. Could have got this move. Like literally, but the moment I closed the trade, I started realizing I was like, oh, right, right. That's totally bullshit. came back with the entry level and started pushing to take my draw liquidity. This is a learning, but yeah, I cannot keep making this whole mistakes again and again and again. Mm, Anyways, that is it for the day, and I'm up 2% for the week. Pretty good on new challenge though. The but still like it's good. I gotta maintain more strict rules and stuff. It's going to be hard, but gotta follow what I do. That is it, and see you tomorrow.